I wish to make a reference to the report on the budget implementation of the 9 months up to the month of March 2024, the report which has been published by the Office of the Control of Budget as required by the law. The report factually puts in that the period up to March 2024, within the period of 9 months, the Meru County government spent Kenya shillings 43.75 million on foreign travel. It is worth noting, members, that Meru County government comprises of both county executive and also the county assembly. The report has put it clearly that the Kenya shilling 43.75 million spent on foreign travel, Kenya shilling 42.84 million was spent by the county assembly. That is factual. From the total 43.75 million, it leaves only a balance of Kenya shillings 910,000. That is the balance. It will so therefore be practically not possible to spend Kenya shillings 903 million when the total amount spent by both the county assembly and the county executive is 43.75 million. Indeed, it is also in public domain that the county of Meru does not have such a huge amount of recurrent expenditure to use for purpose of travel and utilizing in luxurious and non-essential activities. The 903 million is just a typing error during reporting by the control of budget, and to which an error is possible, for error is too human. We have since made a letter to the relevant office, that is the Office of the Control of Budget, for correction of above error reported as spending on foreign travel by the county executive, and which in due course will be adjusted accordingly. Umekuwa mkiona magavana wengine wakiwa nje, gavana wetu hajaenda nje. Governor has not made any official trip financed by the funds of the county ya kwenda nje. That is true. And in fact, vile nimesema, kwa hii budget ambayo tunatayarisha saa hizi yenye iko on the process ya approval, amesema pesa yote ya kwenda nje, either na office ama na nani, itolewe kwa budget, iende kutengeneza maendeleo kwa mwananchi. So yeye si gavana wa kutembea.
And you media people are our friends. It is always important and you are always welcome, specifically to my office as the county secretary, to seek clarification on any project or anybody or anything that is being said about development. Hii ya finance hatutaongea tena. It looks like it was a typo or something.